Hey guys, today I will be making this saw vise which can hold your saw while you sharpen it. First, I cut all my pieces to length. Right now on my 1x3, which is going to be the jaw piece, I'm going to scribe a line and leave about 1/4 to 1/2 inch there at the top. And I'm going to do the same for the bottom. Next, I'm going to plane a bevel that connects those two lines. Next, I'm going to bevel the ends down just so that it will look better and it will also be lighter. I don't know the main purpose of this, but I see many people do it, so I'll do it as well. So this will be the back piece. It's just a 1x4, and here I'm going to cut a half lap to it so that I can attach it to the jaw. Next, I'm going to glue one of the jaws here. And then I'm going to clamp it down. Next, the front jaw that is just about 3 inches shorter than the back jaw, I'm going to dovetail it into the jaw. Next, I'm going to plane it flat. And as you can see, I'm pulling because you can see I tried to push before and it just teared out a lot. And some would really just have weird grain directions, so yeah. To make the vise jaws close and open, I'm going to make a loose box joint. And as you can see, I have a small piece of wood right there that's about 4 inches long. And the one inside the vise is the front piece. And I'm going to just make a loose box joint so I can screw it and it can open and close. Here, I put a dado in the back piece. And then here, I just glued it in. Next, I'm going to bore a hole for a bolt and a wing nut to fit in. Also, if you look at the glue joint to the dado, yes, I didn't wait enough for the glue to dry, so it actually got disconnected. Instead of a wing nut, I just jammed the nut into a piece of circular wood that I've cut out on the scroll saw, but a wing nut would do. And here you can just slip your saw in. And then you can tighten it. My front jaw is bigger than the back jaw and the angles aren't completely right. And one is raised up a little bit more than the other. But this is my first ever saw vise. And when I make more in the future, I can improve on them. I gave my saw a little sharpening and that changed it so much. Remember this clip at the start? This is a 1x4 that I cross-cut and it took 50 seconds just to get the cross-cut done. But just watch this rip cut and cross cut in real time. I put a coat of boiled linseed oil and yeah, it actually vibrates a little since I've just used thin wood, but it's good overall. I really enjoyed making this project and I hope you can get just a few ideas from this video. That would be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!